because it is mandatory and statutory ni Nyaka time. And there are reports. Okay? They exist. The debt verification should you reveal, among other things, how much do we owe them? No, debt nomiwa at what interest rate? Was that interest rate favorable in the market as at the time when we how much have we repaid, and what is the outstanding balance as at now, as at any given time? All these things, reports should be there, and I know they are there. So that does not stop us from doing another if we so wish. We want to know the current debt status at any given time. What we should do for now, if we are so serious, number one, we should know the current public debt through the debt verification audit. Number two, government osebedoka olo gope. And there's no problem with the World Bank and IMF. Of course, we have problems, Nikechem. They are commercial loans and they're very expensive. The alternative is, why can't we go for bilateral and multilateral loans from development partners? Manyalomewa concessional loans. That can be a very good initiative instead of going for these very expensive loans. Okay? So in my view, I would rather advise the government to go for bilateral and multilateral loans from development partners. Okay? Mawanya law wachoni, we cannot pay this much this year. Okay? Can we be given more time? Or can we reduce the amount to be paid? So that it becomes easier in a situation we are facing a budget deficit. Okay? The other things yes. The other thing is to look at the budget. Okay? So that the budget is well defined in terms of debt. How much is the deficit? Okay? To deficit, what is it? So whatever we are borrowing is so specific and goes straight toward development, not recurrent expenditure. So we readjust the budget to ensure pesa more all is development oriented. Okay? Yeah. I think those initiatives have huge economic influence on our economy.
Ero kamana nya Kenya moloka poko ka oyuyo masangwen sane tulo mami mono mi lernwa koruka kori mono mi uchumi mar Kenya uchunka